Hello, my dear students. My name is Shakti and I welcome you all in Shakti's Her classes. We are starting a series on science and mythology. What is the connection of mythology with the ancient science? Are the Indian rituals, customs, and festivals mere a celebration of XYZ, or are they linked from some kind of pure science, a science which has been forgotten by the people of the India? We will reveal these things in our series Science and Mythology, and we will also reveal and discover something that has never been told ever before. So if you are new on our channel and if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of our videos firstly. So without wasting a single second, let's get on to the topic science and mythology. India is the land of festival. There are so many festivals, numerous festivals are celebrated every single month. But what is the main ideology of celebrating these festivals? Are these mere festivals, an occasion to celebrate happiness, or there is a science working behind all the festivals, rituals and customs of Indian and Hindu mythology? Let's discuss about it. So nowadays we are celebrating Navratri. Navratri is the festival to worship Adi Shakti, goddess Durga. What is the meaning of the Adi Shakti? First of all, what is the meaning of Adi Shakti? Whenever we are explaining something and we don't have words or anything to explain something, we usually use one word, etc., etc., etc. It is in English, and in Hindi we use ityadi, 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 because we don't have the precise word to explain something. Just like that, about goddess Durga or Adi Shakti, usually nobody knows who is she. According to sacred Hindu text, it has been clearly written that nobody knows about Adi Shakti. So whatever they learned, whatever they feel, whatever they seen, they have written it, who is she. But actually who is she, nobody knows. So Adi means something that can't be explained. As you all know, the entire universe has been wrapped into the mystery, and still it is unknown who has actually knitted the entire system. If you look out of the earth, you will see the entire planets are hanging in the middle of nowhere. They are hanging in the middle of nowhere. Something or some sort of a power has bounded them. What is that one power? Shakti. You need power to perform your every single ritual, every single daily routine, every single achievement you want to achieve. You need one thing clearly, power. Without power, you are a dead body. So this is the basic definition to define goddess Adi Shakti. So there are three basic forms of goddess Adi Shakti: Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. And in Navratri, usually 9 forms of goddess Parvati are celebrated, and these 9 names are in Sanskrita. So what is the shloka? Prathamam Shailputri cha Dvitiyam Brahmacharani Tratiyam Chandraghanteti Kushmandeti Chaturtakam Panchamam Skandmateti Sashtam Katyayanichi Saptamam Kalratri Mahagauriti Chastamam Navamam Siddhidatri cha Nav Durga Prakirtita. This is the shloka has been given in the Saptashatiji. So these are the 9 forms of the goddess Parvati, the wife of Lord Shiva. And after a vigorous and severe austerity, goddess Parvati finally able to marry Lord Shiva. Why do we celebrate Navratri? Actually, 2 occasions. There are 2 different occasions in which we celebrate Navratri. First one called Navratra of Chaitra month, and the second one called Shardiya Navratra. So what is the basic sense of celebrating this festival? So what is the basic sense of celebrating this occasion. There are 9 forms, 9 power of goddess Parvati, and every single form usually defines something. Our every single ritual, every single festival, either it is Deepavali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Navratri, Ramnavami, Dashera, whatever it is, having a scientific aspect. Actually, our sages were quite intelligent. They knew if they want to continue some sort of a legacy, they have to wrap the science into the form of some kind of ritual or festival or custom. So what did they do was the pure form of science. The text that defined these things were lost. The text that usually defined these things are just vanished from the history, just vanished without a trace. We usually think that festivals are just a mere occasion of the spread happiness or create a cultural and communal harmony in the society, but there is something else behind it. चलिए बात करते हैं नवरात्रा की। नवरात्रा जब आते हैं तो 2 ऋतुओं का मिलन हो रहा होता है। Navratra is the occasion that unites 2 different seasons. If I talk about the Chaitra Navratra, the season in which we celebrate Chaitra Navratra, the winter is actually going and summer is approaching. It is a time 2 points of the season unites, and in this one time there are so many kind of changes we can see and witness in the atmosphere. The bacteria, so many kind of bacteria and viruses, so many kinds of diseases usually break out in this period of time. How the Navratra helps us? 9 days of fasting. 9 days of the fasting. If you are fasting for the 9 days or at least 2 days, first and the last Navratra, fasting is a very good process for your body. It usually helps to detoxify your body, and secondly, we prepare ourselves. Actually, our immune system gets ready for the outcome that usually faced by the changing of the season. So Navratri is the festival that actually prepare us mentally, physically to face the challenges or in some sort of any form. There is a belief, there is a saying according to Hindu text, sacred Hindu text, Yatra Nari Pujante Ramyante Tatra Devata. So goddess Durga has taken the form of a lady, and India, the child girl usually worshipped in the form of the goddess. So what it means? It means the Indians usually respect the girl folk, women folk, and it is a must needed thing to formation of a society on which the humanity can proud. But when and how these things start to vanish, it is a subject of research. So हमारे जितने भी त्यौहार हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, वो सारे के सारे जो है वो किसी न किसी साइंटिफिक फैक्ट से जुड़े हुए हैं। आज का जो टॉपिक था वो खाली एक ओवरव्यू था, एक कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए। हमारी आने वाली जो सीरीज है उसके अंदर हम इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस करेंगे साइंटिफिक पहलुओं से, हर एक त्यौहार का, हर एक फैक्ट का, हर एक लेजेंड का, हर एक बिलीफ का, हर एक साइंस का, और यहाँ पर हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे साइंस वर्सेस माइथोलॉजी। क्या जो साइंस है वो सही मायनों में, आज का जो मॉडर्न साइंस है, क्या सच में वो हमारे जो पुरातन फेस्टिवल्स हैं, हमारी बिलीफ्स हैं, हमारी जो मान्यताएं हैं, या हमारी जो सेइंग्स हैं, क्या सच में उनकी वैज्ञानिकता को जो है प्रमाणित कर सकता है, या अभी हमारा साइंस जो है केवल अपने इन्फेंट पीरियड में है, अभी उसको और समय लगेगा उन चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन करने में। तो यही हम जो है डिफाइन करेंगे हमारी इस साइंस एंड माइथोलॉजी की सीरीज के अंदर। तो जुड़े रहिए। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए। हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे इस सीरीज के बहुत ही रोमांचक और रहस्यों को रिवील करने वाले वीडियो के साथ में विद साइंटिफिक फैक्ट्स। तब तक आप मुस्कुराते रहिए, खुश रहिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।